got here mail call day today. Came in today. Probably about an hour or so ago today, and today is Thursday. So, and this one comes all the way from Janesville, Wisconsin, from my good friends out there in Wisconsin, Big Bad Brad and his wife.
And we're going to have to ask Mrs. Brad, you gave me some help there. Is it 2 or 3 syllables? Is it Amra or Amara?
Because I will butcher it, and we're so sorry. But anyway, so they send me this packages. So let's go get it on here. So I don't know if anybody out there in Larryland keeps up with the AB Rustic Relics. That's Big Bad Brad. But I was watching some of the stuff he does on YouTube. The places that he goes to are really like super cool. And I get really excited when I see that. Because I'm actually seeing behind the scenes, which anybody can see, what Brad or how Brad gets all these cool items, where he goes to and how he does his magic. And he finds all these cool different kinds of mechanical pencils, fountain pens, ballpoint pens, gel and rollerball pens. And, you know, a lot of them may have different names on them for businesses maybe. But that's what I like about it. You know, what does it say on those pens? Old vintage ballpoint pens and et cetera, et cetera. Also, old new stock as well. He also has found some really cool stuff. So you might want to check him out on YouTube and on Facebook and on Estes and
Etsy's.
Estes and any on Instagram, I think.
I believe so.
He's on all the social media. But watch Brad do his thing. So let's see what's in here. Right. And I have been running behind. Here we go. All right. Okay, bubbles. All right. Rustic Relics. All right. Big Bad Brad. And let's see what we got here. Comes really wrapped up nicely. And this will be for an upcoming review. Today I've been busy, been going to the doctor with this spine problem. It's gotten worse, but it is what it is. Here we go. One of my favorite of all time brands is the Parker. Awesome, awesome. And did I say awesome, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
Well, let's do it again. Awesome. Parker rocks. So and I will fill you in the whole 9 bits on this pen. So now this looks like, wow, a mechanical pencil and ballpoint. Nice, nice looking set here. Now this is a good looking set. Any way you look at it, this is a nice looking set. This could be a rollerball maybe. I have to check out the instructions here. Really a nice set. I love this clip. I love Parker. Parker rocks. So I will fill you in more about this. Can't wait to check out all the history about these pens. So now is another one. Plastic case with the Parker. Now what's in this baby? Let's see. Oh wow. Here's your beautiful Parker. Look at this monster Parker. This is probably a pull-off cap. Yay! This is a fountain pen. Wow! Okay, I'm in heaven. I'm in my world. This is my zone. And with the converter, a lot to do with this beautiful pen. This is gorgeous. Just breathtaking. I mean, hey, if you don't find this breathtaking, then you must be not enthusiast as I thought you'd be with fountain pens. But then that's just me, because really, I think Parker is a very cool dynamite pen that makes some good stuff, don't you think? So let's put this away, because we will definitely be reviewing that. Now, put that right there. And we got another one from...
AV Rustic Relics.
I'm going to say his name again.
We don't know if
Try to say it, pronounce it the best way you can.
it's either Amara or Amra.
It's either Amara or Amara. Okay. La la la. La la. Hello, Amara. Hello. Okay. La la la. 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 And here we go. It's in this bubble wrap. Oh. Here we go. How many people out there are interested in ballpoint pens, rollerball pens, and gel pens? And how many people out there are interested in fountain pens? A whole bunch. Here we go. Yeah. Now what is this little baby going to be like? All right, come on, sweetie. Dun, 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 dun. Check it out. Here is a cool pin. You tie this and it goes around your neck, so people that work, I know people in hospitals have this, or just people at work like for them just to hang down. So that's really a nice looking red here. Beautiful pen. It is. It really is nice looking. And I bet this is a rollerball. Nice looking pen. And it's got a medium on there. So I'm thinking it's a medium tip. But that's for upcoming review. Beautiful pen. Locks in there real nice. Has a good locking system right there, so it won't just fall out. This is really cool. All right. Well, there you have it. Thank you, my good fine friends, for joining me on Mail Call Day. You can find all these cool pens and whatnots over at A&B Rustic Relics. Man, they got it all going on. They got thousands of different combinations for you. All you got to do is Google their name if you can't find it, and it's going to come up. Okay. Well, folks, that's it for now. Until my next show, be solid, my brothers and sisters. I will see you on the flip side. And remember, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.